during the summer months, and some of the most harmful habits are also the most surprising. Here to help us get that beautiful, healthy-looking glow is dermatologist Dr. Tess Mauricio. Welcome. Welcome. Okay, so before we actually get started on the summer aspect of it, what would you say are the main things that we need to avoid to have better skin all year round?
Well, really, sun protection, sun exposure is the #1 reason for aging skin.
Okay.
And so that really, and in summer months, that gets a little hard, but then we now have a lot of wonderful sun protection products, including sunscreen pills.
Wow.
Really?
Wow.
So if you take the pills, you don't have to put it on your skin?
Yes, it's actually an all-natural product, and it really protects the whole body. It's waterproof.
Oh my gosh, I'm totally gonna get that.
But your livers, forget about it. I'm kidding.
Well, although I do have natural built-in sun protection.
Right,
You know how my
helps,
people get that. Yeah,
absolutely.
So let's move on to some of these sneaky summer problems, these attackers that can hurt the skin. An essential item in the summer, obviously, is air conditioning, but you're saying it can be bad for your skin.
Absolutely. Well, you know, it's getting hotter. We're all tempted to turn and crank that air conditioning to max. And if you are an AC junkie, this one may be a shocker to you. But, you know, you don't want to really keep that cool air on so high because it's drying the skin. It's removing moisture from the air, which our skin needs so that it will glow. Right. And so really turn down your AC so that you can give your skin that extra moisture it needs.
Oh, that's...
I'll be driving in my car like
sweating.
sweating. All right, what
your
about...
Your skin will glow.
Okay, you also say that sunglasses can be bad for our skin, but we need it to protect our eyes.
I know, it's true, right? What's the one accessory that we need when it's a sunny day? It is sunglasses. However, there is a shady kind of shocker here that bacteria can grow on sunglasses, and it can enter our pores through that area around the nose where the sunglasses are sitting the whole entire day. So I'm all for wearing those large sunglasses to protect the skin and the eyes during, you know, when you're out there in the beach, but you just make sure you clean them before each use with antibacterial wipes.
Okay, that's easy.
Clean them, easy.
Yeah.
But we all forget. Think about it.
Fun. Okay, obviously in the summer when it's hot, people are spending hours in the pool, and you know, especially if you've got kids, you're in and out of the water. How is the pool bad for your skin? Well,
swimming is a great exercise. We all know that, but swimming pools actually, and the chlorine in it, is super bad for our skin. Yeah. Chlorine dries the skin, and especially if we don't wash it off right away, we actually start being processed like cured meat in a way.
Oh,
and we all tend to think that it's easy to just wash off chlorine, but it actually isn't. Chlorine that sticks on our skin can interact with our lotions, our moisturizers, and can create rashes and irritation. So to properly remove chlorine from the skin, make sure you're using extra Sudsea soap or a nice body wash, and don't forget to moisturize after, you know.
Right. So just don't rinse, because I think what you do
right.
is you just
go
rinse
in,
off, right?
You need that Sudsea water and wash the chlorine.
Okay. What about, this is the time of year with, you know, it's bathing suit weather. A lot of women wax. They get a bikini wax. That, you say, is not good for our skin.
Absolutely. We all are exposing more of our bodies during the summer, and we probably, you know, are tempted to run to our waxer immediately after we see any extra hair, but really don't, because you know, waxing too often can cause raw skin, irritated skin, and then for a lot of people can cause ingrown, painful hair, that actually can cause sometimes scarring.
And infections.
So, exactly.
Yeah, right.
And so wait 3 weeks before getting waxed again, especially in those sensitive areas.
Right.
Oh.
Right.
So as long as you wait the 3 weeks, you can do it.
Right, and if you are prone to the infection and scarring, then you may want to consider laser hair removal.
You say that cell phones can actually damage the skin.
Well, I'm not asking you to give up your cell phones. I'm not going to give up my cell phone, but just give up putting your cell phone against your cheeks. And you know, ladies, let's face it, we all love to gab on the phone, and hours of talking and sticking that cell phone on your skin here can cause pimples around the jawline and cheeks. Just think about it. We're putting our phones on dirty countertops. We're tossing it in our purses.
So what do we do? Just hold it?
Bacteria grows in there. So just go hands-free.